But it's another windy, gusty day out. Can't go anywhere. Stuck on the boat. Can't move around. So, I thought I'd tell you what's going on lately. You know, I put solar panels up, but they hadn't been connected. I got them all connected up. Charging the batteries. So that I can use the inverter on the boat and be able to use my appliances and stuff. Turn on the refrigerator. The seagulls are out here making all this noise wanting to eat. And to find out that the inverter / charger on this, quote, perfectly running boat that I bought. The inverter / charger doesn't work. It's not even connected up to the batteries. It's so bad. Corroded. And I need to get a new one of them if I want to use any of the plugs in the cabin or any appliances through the solar panels. So, that's another big expense that I wasn't informed of, and Peter didn't find out or even check when he did check the boat. So that's another unpleasant surprise I got this week. Isn't that great? Anyway, that's the latest news. I'm still bouncing around for a couple days, looks like. But at least my batteries are charging. That's a good thing.